In this video guide, we will take a look at the installation of Enso operating system in Oracle VM VirtualBox. Enso operating system is a Linux distribution based on Xubuntu. The latest release of Enso operating system 0.3.1 is based on the packages from Ubuntu 18.04. It uses XFC desktop environment with Gala as the default Windows manager. For this demonstration, already I have created one virtual machine. Let's click on settings of that virtual machine. First of all, I'm going to click on system, and here you can see already I have selected enable EFI, and let's click on storage. Here you can see already I have mounted the ISO image of Enso operating system 0.3.1 64-bit, which you can download from their official website. Link to download this ISO image is also given in the description area. Let's click on OK and let's start the virtual machine. Here it is telling us that you have options to try Enso operating system without installing it on your physical computer. But we are in a virtual environment, and that's why I'm going to directly install on it. So I have to select install Enso, and then we need to press enter key. On the first console, it is asking us to select the language which we want to use during the installation, and English is selected and we are happy with it. Let's click on continue. Here it is asking us to specify keyboard layout. We are using English US and that is selected by default. Let's click on continue. On this console, we have options to select update and other software related settings. I'm going to clear this checkbox because we will install updates after installing Enso operating system. And I'm going to select this checkbox, install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware and additional media formats. I'll click on continue. On this console, we have options to select installation type. If you are a beginner, then you can go with erase disk and install Enso operating system on it. But if you know the custom partitioning, that time you have to select something else. Click on continue. Here, first of all, we need to create new partition table. Let's click on it and click on continue. Fine. Now select free space and click on plus sign. First of all, we are going to add /EFI partition. So EFI system partition, and I'm going to give size 500 MB. Click on OK. Done. Partition is created successfully. Now let's select free space again. Click on plus sign. And we are going to create a root partition. Click on OK. Done. Let's select free space again. Click on plus sign, and this time we are going to create a swap partition. Let's click on OK. Done. Here it is asking us the device for bootloader installation. Here I'm going to select /dev/sda1, which is our EFI partition. Fine. Now we are ready to start the installation. So let's click on install now. Select continue. As this virtual machine is connected with internet connection, and that's why it has automatically detected the time zone. If you want to change the time zone, you can change it from this console. Let's click on continue. Here you need to specify your username. Once you specify your user detail, you can click on continue. Installation process will take some time to complete, and once the installation complete, it will ask you to reboot your virtual machine. Okay, as you can see, installation has been completed successfully. Now we need to restart a computer. So let's click on restart now button. So this is the login screen of Enso operating system. Let's specify user password and hit enter to log in into Enso operating system. This is the desktop of Enso operating system. Welcome to Enso operating system 0.3.1 Dancing Daisy. Let's click on get started. Here we have options to edit user details, change system settings, install application, and for that it is using F5. Let's close this console. And here we have options to open F5 as well. Here we have options to open system setting. Here terminal is there. It is known as Sakura. Let's click on applications. Whatever applications we have on a computer will be listed here. You can use your mouse scroll bar to scroll between these consoles. Fine. You can also switch to category views by clicking here. And here you can see accessories, games, graphics, internet, office, preferences, and system tool. All those options will be available to you. Let's click on preferences, and here we have other categories as well. Let's click on system setting. And you can see here all those settings are there. By using these settings, you can manage your Enso operating system. Fine, I'm going to click on software updater. Here we have options for software and updates as well, but I'm going to click on software updater. As you can see, it is downloading list from Ubuntu repository. Already I mentioned you that Enso operating system 0.3.1 is based on Ubuntu 18.04. As you can see, 63.6 MB will be downloaded to update this applications. Let's click on install now. Let's click on details, and definitely it is going to take some time to download. As you can see, all the updates has been installed successfully, and it is telling us to restart a computer. So I'm going to click on restart now. Let's sign in again. So now we have a updated Enso operating system 0.3.1 in Oracle VM VirtualBox. So this was all about installing Enso operating system in Oracle VM VirtualBox. Thank you all for watching this video.